Why?
Hello, sister-in-law. I'm recording, so. What's that?
The mask.
Jollibee. A bag of Jollibee.
Ta-da!
Oh, you got fashion masks.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. We're heading off to get some paella down at a restaurant, Dumaguete, on South Road called... What's the name of it?
Huh?
What's the name of the restaurant?
Latino.
Latino. All right, sister, you're in charge of rear navigation. And I just wanted to make a correction from the last video I did. I mentioned that August 1st they're going to start letting tourists back into the Philippines. That's not actually going to happen. I guess that's people with permanent resident visas, like people on SRRVs, those special residency visas. So I just wanted to make that correction. A lot of people corrected me in the video. It's now in the comments, so I appreciate that. Good looking out. And I felt bad about that because Chichai's been stuck in the house for a very long time.
And I'm very excited about going on a road trip.
Yeah.
I've been requesting it for you since even before.
So this is our road trip down to South Road, down to Manila, I think it's down. And so in lieu of going to Mabinay, we're gonna go get some paella at Latino. Oh, we gotta call Marco. We gotta call Marco and tell him that we're coming so they can start preparing it.
It's like a small karaoke room.
Yeah.
There.
Hello.
Buenos tardes, Sir Marco.
You are coming now?
Yes, we are coming now. So we'll have a shrimp paella, please.
Okay.
All right.
So we start to cook now.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you to you. You know.
Okay, patronage. All right, bye-bye.
OBGYN, Obigayni.
Obigayni.
Yeah. Give me
I am not comfortable in a catamaran with an Obigayni.
prescribed glutathione before.
How about Persephone?
Persephone. How about Medina?
How about Knots?
Benita.
How about Janice Jr.?
No.
JJ. Wow, we know a Janice Jr.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did a video on us. Hey Fred, hi Janice,
And
hey Janice
she made you
Jr.
a tomato.
And she turned me into a tomato because I'm red. That's my natural color. There's Mount Tolinas. Los Cuernos de Negros, looking beautiful with the clouds over it today. This afternoon. It's around 1:30. Oh, and we'll turn it. Yes, sir. Oh, we got the military here. What are they doing?
Eating.
They're eating.
Eating mackerel.
Okay, so here is a checkpoint, but it looks like they're having lunch or something. Alright, that was rather anticlimactic.
Is it paella or paella?
You can call it whatever you want, huh? We're in the Philippines. Paella.
Paella. We call it paella.
En español es paella. Paella. Alright, we're here now. We made it. We survived. See you inside. Yeah. Entering Latino is like entering a gangster hideout, a speakeasy, because you have to ring the doorbell and then they answer and they get the door and all that. There's Marco. All right, we're in business. Got dim lighting in here. That's okay, because I'm a dim light bulb. All right. Hey Marco, how are you? How are you? All right, so these are our accommodations.
They have, if you want to.
Yeah, we're gonna do a tour of all the art and all the knickknacks and bric-a-brac, because you guys know I love that stuff, in a bit. Because he sent all this stuff, I believe from Thailand, all the way to Dumaguete. We're getting some sangria. I guess it's juice with a little bit of wine and some cinnamon. She's only gonna have a little bit though.
They call it Manny Pacquiao.
The Manny Pacquiao sangria. And as you can see, well, you can't see very well but there's a lot of different variations on paella. They got the meat, shrimp, squid and chicken, shrimps and vegetables, mixed paella, seafood, salmon and squid, all different types, from ranging in price from 520 pesos to 975. That's a seafood paella, superb, with peeled tiger prawns, one big crab, peeled shrimps, a lot of stuff in that one. All right, so we got our sangria. We got our Manny Pacquiao, and it's got red wine, fresh fruit, soda, and a little bit of alcoholic beverage in here. So we'll drive home slowly. Not that you have a choice in Dumaguete. You gotta drive slowly.
I'm gonna try that.
You gonna try this? Okay. Good luck, Zoe. No.
You can mix some to yours.
I think you're supposed to mix a little bit of this with the juice.
Yeah? A little?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little.
Just try it out.
Not
Alright, here's our little meat and cheese platter. We got a selection of cheeses. I'm not sure what kind of cheeses. Pepperoni, salami, we got some bread. We're gonna dig into this. We got our sangria. We're gonna do this. Yeah. Here we go. I love cold cuts. First time trying cream cheese. Go for it. Pretty good, right? Cream cheese. Okay, so our paella has arrived, and it is looking absolutely fantastic. These are my favorite bits, the burnt stuff from the bottom of the pan. And of course the ladies are all taking photos. So here we are in quarantine, 217 pounds. Let's get a little bit fatter. Let's kill this. Let's do it. Glutinous rice that you guys call it what?
Valenciana.
Valenciana.
It came from... It's a yellow
It's similar to this, which is called what?
Paella. We call it paella. We call it paella, even if you
Paella is cool.
Some Filipinos.
Yeah, sure. You also say comfortable, catamaran, Catholic, hippopotamus. All right, this is freaking delicious. We're gonna eat now. Bye. All right, so we just killed the, what's it called?
Paella.
Paella. We just killed the paella. How was the paella?
Good. It tastes like paella.
Really? Haha. And Marco was nice enough to give us complimentary tiramisu. So this is how we're gonna finish this off. Man, I'm stuffed, but duty calls. Here we go. All right, here we are, first time having tiramisu. Try it out. Yeah, good, right. Yeah, I can't go wrong. It's almost as good at Australia. We used to get the creme brulee. What did we used to get there?
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee. Brulee? Creme brulee. I can't pronounce.
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee, yeah. Okay, so we just finished up our lunch at Latino. What do you guys think?
Excelente.
Excelente. Janice?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, good. Special thanks to Marco for the personalized service. We had excellent sangria, paella, and tiramisu. So now we're off to visit some friends of ours, and we'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Puppies, rainbows, and unicorns, and paella for everybody. Peace out.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.